Hong Chun-ji. The Hong Chun-ji is going to be released the new K-drama which is going to be released in 2021. It is the fantasy drama, a romance drama set in the Jason era. The Kim Yoo-jung will be playing the titular role of Hong Chun-ji, the Jason's only female painter with a shining beauty and a bright energy. Though she was born blind, but she miraculously gains the vision. She also possesses an extraordinary memory. The Han Hyo-sop will be playing the lead role of male Ha-ram, a blind astrologer who is able to read the star despite having lost his sight. This is going to be really unique drama about a blind love but with true feelings. And so this is going to be new drama which is going to be released in 2021 and surely it's going to be amazing. After that we have Love Alarm Season 2. The Season 1 was really hit and amazing drama and full of emotion, love, fun and life. And the second season is going to be released in 2021 and the story will be continuation of the Season 1 where the girl Jojo will finally end up with her partner and we will going to be see that whom she will choose at the end. And also the second season is going to reveal the creator of the Love Alarm app in the drama on which the drama is based on. So it is really going to be awesome and really interesting to watch forward that who is the creator and also who will end up with whom. After that we have the new drama Snowdrop. The new drama Snowdrop in which the Blackpink Jisoo is going to be lead and also there we will see the cutest actor. In this drama is going to be set in a Seoul in the 1987 year and which will tell the story of an Im So-hoo, a boy who is a student at a prestigious university who suddenly rushes into the female hostel covered in blood one day, and Yoon Young-chu, which is played by the Jisoo, is a cheerful and a lovable student, hides him and takes care of his wounds even while facing danger under the many circumstances. The Im Soo-ho, who is a charming boy, and she falls in love with him at a first sight at a social gathering, and the lively young Joo-won happens to run him into again, and then the love games start here. After that we have Hospital Playlist Season 2. The first season of this drama was really good and showed the life of a 5 doctor who was a best friend since their college days and then they continue here as working colleagues, and also many emotional roller coaster was happened in the first season and this will be the continue in the next season which is going to be released in 2021, and the many new member was also going to be seen in the new season of the Hospital Playlist drama. So surely this drama is going to be the mixture of a love, family, medical, emotions and friendship also. After that we have the drama Vincenzo. The Song Joong-ki new drama is going to be released in 2021 and it will tell the story of an Italian lawyer which is played by the Song Joong-ki, who is also a mafia consigliere whose name is Vincenzo Casano, who was adopted by an Italian family at a young age and that due to some fights with his job field he go back to the South Korea where he stay in Korea by hiding his true identity. There he meet our lead female who is also a lawyer and she is dedicated to her work and she work hard and win the every case she takes on, and then she falls in love with the Song Joong-ki but he keeps hiding his identity from her also, and the game of love, justice, goal, emotion start here. Kingdom Season 2. In a Season 1 we saw after discovering that heat was the cause of the undead immobility and not the sun, waves of the undead become active due to the start of the winter season and threatens to reach the capital. In an attempt to save the people during the plague and also from the zombie, his right to the throne, a crown prince Li Chang pursues Zhao Hak-ju to overthrow him, while the queen is in a race against the time to produce an heir to the throne. So this was the first season where the zombie, throne, queen, king game we saw, and this is going to be continue in the Season 2 also, and which is also going to be really amazing because Season 1 was a really hit in the Netflix. After that we have the drama Anara Samunara. It is a set around the life of a teenager girl whose name is Ua-e. The Ua-e is a poor girl who goes into the different part-time job while studying in high school in order to support herself and her little sister after their irresponsible parents left them. One day her paycheck was blown by the wind and she started chasing for it. Thus she come across with the man whose name is L, the magician, which is played by the Ji Chang-wook. The magician has a reputation in their neighborhood with the people saying he is insane and dangerous. The I he also used to believe this. She often tells herself that the magician is pathetic and that she never wants to be involved in a man like him. As an adult, he is an embarrassment in the society. He is jobless and does not yet grasp the realities of life. And everyone, including the female lead, also think that he is nothing but just a useless man. Another character in the story, his name is Na Il Dung. He is also a boy and he is characterized by as an elongated head. He is rich, very smart and arrogant, often boasting of his achievement and mocking the girl because of her poverty. But later on he finds himself falling in love with her. This drama is going to be revolving around these three main characters. The tone of the story is melancholic and often nostalgic, bringing up the experiences during childhood days that are quite relatable to each one of us. These three characters share the problem we face today in the society: poverty, identity crisis, and social stereotypes that we can't really avoid. This drama is really going to be unique and really going to be hit the reality. So waiting for all the drama which is going to be released in the 2021, and 2021 is going to be really awesome.